What is up, guys? Your boy Tim Pennant here, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm doing slime again, and I tested the slime this time. I tested it, and guess what? It worked. This is my slime, and it works pretty well actually. Like, it stretches and everything. It's perfect. Look at that. And the amazing thing is, I made it with just one ingredient, and that's glue. And it's not like a normal glue, it's a specific glue. And when I'm gonna do the tutorial just now, I'm gonna show you guys what glue I use. And that glue is cable glue, I think. Yeah, it's cable glue. And yeah, it's quick drying. It's cable glue, and that's what makes it the slime, I guess. And I'm gonna make another slime with you guys, and so yeah, hopefully this time I'm gonna make a much bigger one. And it's quick making. It's like you can make this in like under 30 seconds and it's done. So I'm gonna make this slime now, and you guys just keep watching. I'm just gonna go down to the tutorial and we are gonna get started on this thing. Okay guys, goodbye. Guys, I'm back, and I got my ingredients here, and we're gonna do this. And you guys, I haven't been uploading in a while now because I've been really busy with school, and sometimes I was like really lazy. I had other things to do and stuff, so I was like really busy with other stuff. And today I woke up and I was like, I need to do a video. And yesterday I wanted to do a gaming video, but I don't know why, but I was busy. I tried making my gaming videos as best as possible by adding some editing tools, but like I've been looking for the editing tools, and that took me some while. So I ended up not having time to actually record the gaming video. So I decided to do a slime video today, and I've tested that slime, and I've got this. And I've got this, and we're gonna make this actually now, and yeah, in a matter of seconds it's gonna be done. So let me just grab the essential, and what you'll need is a bowl of water, whatever container, whatever. You just need water, something to whisk the glue with, and of course cable glue. And you can get these cable glues at like stores, any store I guess, but like mostly hardware stores, and you can get them at Amazon, at Admatat, and it's cable glue, and it's adhesive or whatever. It's adhesive cable glue, and meaning it like really it dries quickly. Yeah, that's the word. It dries quickly, and yeah, that's all you need actually. You don't need that borax. You don't need none of that. You just need glue. That is just like awesome. You're gonna make slime with just glue. That's awesome. And while I was making the slime, I figured out something. Is that you can actually the slime is actually pretty bouncy. So that's another add-on. Like the slime being bouncy, that's pretty cool. So with the slime being bouncy, you guys better give me some likes. You guys, like, I at least, can I have at least about like 4, not 4, what am I talking about? I want at least like 30 likes, guys. 30 likes. Smash that like button down below. This slime can bounce, people. It can bounce, and it's just made out of glue. So like 40 likes, 30 likes, guys. Please, I beg. 30 likes, and if you're new, subscribe. I've seen that like my viewers are more than my subscribers, and that's stupid. I don't like that. And if you view, just subscribe, please. Just please subscribe. And yeah, let's get into the video without wasting any time. Okay, yeah, now we're in the video, and I'm gonna quickly add the cable glue into the water mixture, like so. Just gonna add this glue, and the more glue you put in, the bigger the slime's gonna be. so don't be cheeky with the glue. Just add a lot of it. Yeah. Once you add the glue, don't add it for too long, because then the glue inside the water might dry. So now all you need to do is just keep turning the it doesn't really have to be 45 seconds, I think until it's just no longer sticky once you like do this. So like until it's no longer sticky, then it's perfect. And so you can just take this out now. I think mine's perfect now. You just take this out, and as you can see, it doesn't stick to it doesn't like leave glue behind or whatever. It's normal. It's like it's fun to play with. And yeah, now all you have to do before you do anything, I just suggest you leave it to dry for just a bit. And by just a bit, like I mean for at least like 30 seconds or so. Just put it like somewhere where there's a window or something for it to dry. You guys dried out. As you can see, mine is dry, and it's tiny. Look at that. It's so fun to play with, and like don't pull it so fast, then it will just like rip. So you need to like stretch it very slowly, then voila, slime. And I think that's it for the video. That is all you need is glue to make slime. So yeah, I think that is it. And just a quick reminder: if you take the slime out like too quick, it will stick to stuff and it will stick to your fingers because it will still be gluey. So if it does that, you can still just put it back into the water, and it will just the water will just make it hard again, like mine. And I left it outside, not outside, I left it at my windowsill for was it like, no, it was like 20 seconds or so, like 30 seconds, yeah, it was 30 seconds, and this is my result, actually, this is my result, and yeah, that's it for now, and don't forget the 30 likes, guys, 30 likes and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time, and I'm gonna go play